Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and today I was going to show you one of the reasons why I like the lights that I used in my building. I made some videos previously on these lights, and they're not the best, but they are pretty cheap, and they've held up really good for me. And you know, like with anything, you get a couple hundred of them, which I mean, I probably gotten say 50, almost 100. You know, you might have a couple bad ones here and there. So, but I'll show you why I like standardizing on one kind of lights, and yeah, check it out. Just for quick reference, all the lights in my garage here, and these are on a different circuit, that's why they're off, so I can turn them on and not have to turn all the lights on. But yeah, I used all the same ones. They can be hardwired, or they get a little flip switcher or not. And then in my loft area, I've done the same thing. I don't have them all here because I eventually plan on doing more with the ceiling. You see I got one there, and if you can see, I got a line of them here and a line back and over there. But I came in to turn this one on. This is on a smart switch as well, but I click it, and yeah, we definitely got an issue there. So, but because that thing's the same as all the other ones, I keep extras around. So over here we have a pile of extras, because also I plan on putting more up in the future. But I'm going to take one of those, and I'll be able to replace this really quick, because they got these little snap clips here. One there, one there. Unplug it here, and I'll snap the other one up and plug it up. And we'll be right back and see how quick we can just switch this nice LED light out. Here's the old one. Took literally the longest part was getting the step stool. Switch it out. Just popped it out of there, popped that little cord out of the end, and that was it. And you know, this thing I've had, I'm not sure, maybe a year or so. I think I paid maybe a couple bucks. I'll have to link to the other video. I mean, they've went up and down in price over the years. The big thing is, I have found with these is you'll find a light that looks the same, but it won't necessarily have the exact same hookup. So you gotta kind of be careful with that when ordering multiple packs. But you can get packs of like 20 and stuff like that, and they go on sale every now and then. And like I said, I try to use them everywhere. I like them. You can see it lights, one light lights this entire room up very, very nicely. I think they're 20 or 25 watts a piece. You can link up to 6. Great little lights. Here we go. 19 watts. There we go. So they don't draw a lot of power. You get a whole lot of light. I think it's 2,000 lumen or something off this thing. And especially with that little bit of reflective stuff back there. I mean, like I said, this 10 by 10 area, that one light lights up really nicely. Over here, I got 3 of them. And click that on. And there you go. I mean, you can see those 3. That's a 10 by 20 space. Lights it up more than efficiently. Like I said, I do my YouTube right here. So, yeah, I would definitely recommend these. And I'll throw a link to those older videos, and also to a link to the older videos, and also a link to where I actually got the ones I'm using. Like I said, they've went up and down in price, but they're for the amount you get, the price, and how easy they are to string together. Also, the big thing is to look for the packs that come with all the accessories. So all your cords, all your switches, everything you might need. Because you don't have to butt them up side by side. They actually, I've gotten packs that had like a 12-inch cord to daisy chain them with, or an 18-inch cord to daisy chain them with. So if you're going a long run, you can, you know, space them out a little bit more to get some more distance out of them without having to butt them next to each other. But yeah, great little fluorescent lights, and super easy when you do have an issue to just pop it out and flip it in and get a new one. So that's it for now. Like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.